Hey everyone, in this video we're going to answer a common question. Why does the NordVPN website sometimes show your status as unprotected? Let's break down what it means and how to fix it. And quick reminder, if you don't already have NordVPN, there's a special offer in the description below. 74% off plus 4 bonus months with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So when you see unprotected at the top of the NordVPN website, it simply means you're not connected to any of their servers at that moment. Your traffic is just going through your regular internet provider without VPN protection. If you're new to NordVPN, the first step is to download and install their app. Just head to nordvpn.com, grab the app for your device, and log in with your account. Once you're inside the app, click Quick Connect, or manually pick a country from the list. NordVPN has thousands of servers across places like the United States, Canada, Germany, the UK, Australia, Japan, and many more. The moment you connect, your traffic is encrypted, and your online status should now show as protected. But what if you've connected and the site still shows unprotected? Don't worry. This can happen if the page didn't refresh properly or if the browser is caching old data. Try refreshing or open it in a private window. If the issue continues, the easiest fix is to reach out to NordVPN's support team. You can contact them instantly through live chat or email. Both options are right on the site. So yeah, seeing unprotected doesn't mean something's broken. It just means you aren't connected yet. Launch the NordVPN app, connect to a server, and you're good to go. And don't forget, check the link in the description to get that 74% discount plus 4 free months. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.